Union and Eastern Union, and the following areas in New York: Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, Northwest Suffolk, Southwest Suffolk, Northern Queens, Northern Nassau, Southern Queens, Southern Nassau, Northeast Suffolk, and Southeast Suffolk. Winter storm warning in effect from 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow, which is in effect from 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday. The winter weather advisory is no longer in effect. Locations: New York City, Long Island, and portions of northeastern New Jersey. Hazard types: heavy snow. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 5 to 8 inches. Visibilities: 1/4 mile or less at times. Timing: a mix of light rain and snow will change quickly to all snow around daybreak. The snow will be heavy at times, in particular during the morning and early afternoon hours. Impacts: snow-covered roadways will create hazardous travel. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. For the following areas in New Jersey: Hudson, Western Essex, Eastern Essex, Western Union and Eastern Union, and the following areas in New York: Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, Northwest Suffolk, Southwest Suffolk, Northern Queens, Northern Nassau, Southern Queens, Southern Nassau, Northeast Suffolk, and Southeast Suffolk. Winter storm warning in effect from 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday.